Hey guys, Geordie from Vhedia here. Just a quick video on the latest update we're about to release to our website. So we listened. You wanted to be able to do more with the home screen. So if you go to settings, car infotainment display, again, you have to download the latest update, which will be released on our website. Go to theme style. You'll now have different options of colors, as well as an option for a blank screen to which you can add your widgets to. So this is only available for the widgets that are already pre-downloaded. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to find a way to get it to do from what you've downloaded from the Google Play Store. But it's still really cool, good options, different colors. Let us know what you think. Thanks.